Hi, thanks for watching. It's Alex here, and I thought I'd do a quick video basically because people have been asking me why you would use WordPress. And in fact, a client the other day, they were tossing up between using a WordPress website or getting a custom built thing because a web developer that they knew said that most good web developers write all their own code, which was a bit of a strange statement, I thought. So I just wanted to lay down my thoughts on why I use WordPress and why I think everyone should use WordPress for their website. Okay, so reason number one. Basically, WordPress is open source, so that means that it's worked on by probably 100,000 people, if not more, developers around the world, all working as a community to make WordPress better. Obviously, this is great because it means that it's always being updated. There's always extra features, extra functionality, security problems, all that kind of stuff is all ironed out very quickly and efficiently because there's so many different people working on it. If you go with a one-man band or a small team of people that are working on their own stuff, you have to rely on them to keep it updated and whenever you need anything. So I always think the open source approach is best because you've just got this huge team. Why have a couple of people working on your website when you can have that 100,000 people? Number two. Okay, WordPress has a plugin system, so you can obviously, as you know, if you use WordPress, you can install different plugins. Now, a plugin is a piece of software that kind of fits in, as the name suggests, plugs into WordPress and gives it some extra functionality. Now, this is really important because it means that there's often a plugin for pretty much anything that you can think of. So if you want to add e-commerce functionality, there's a plugin for that. You want to have an event booking system, there's a plugin for that. So yeah, pretty much anything you can think of, there's a plugin out there. Some of them are free, some of them are paid for, but generally it's only a few dollars or a few pounds. And it just means that whenever you need to do anything, you don't have to wait for someone to custom build it, and you can just go and find that plugin, install it, set it up, you're up and running. It's low cost and it's quick. Number three. Okay, the third reason is the themes. There's so many great themes for WordPress that are already built, especially the premium themes that are of very, very high quality. So it means you don't need to get a graphic designer and you don't need to wait ages for someone to design your theme. You can find something that's already done, and then with a little bit of tweaking and customization, you've got a great looking website for a fraction of the cost if you needed to go to a graphic designer and get it done that way, which from experience I know can get expensive. Number four is SEO. WordPress is out of the box as it comes. Once you've installed it, it's actually quite SEO friendly, and with a couple of setting tweaks you can make it even better. And then, as I've already mentioned, you can get a plugin. We can get a plugin for SEO, which you put that in, and then it allows you to take your SEO to the next level and really optimize your site well. Again, a lot of sites that are custom built don't often have all this functionality, or if you need it, you have to pay for it. So, and search engine optimization is a key part of success when it comes to having a website. So, again, WordPress does it well, does it really well, and why wouldn't you choose WordPress? Number five. Okay, WordPress is probably one of the most popular website platforms. I think the last stat I read was that it powers around 18–19% of all websites on the internet. So it's pretty common and it's pretty popular. This is great because it means that if you do have a WordPress site, you can probably find someone local to you that knows about WordPress and can help you out. So it means that if for whatever reason you fall out with your original web developer and you need to find someone else, if you were stuck, if you had their kind of custom code, you would be pretty much stuck with them, and you probably have to start again. Whereas if you've got WordPress, you can find someone else and they can kind of work out what's going on and take it over quite easily. Okay, well that concludes this video. I was able to think of five. I'm sure there are, but that was just off the top of my dome. So I'm sure there's a lot more, and I've used WordPress for many years now, and it just keeps blowing me away at the kind of things you can do with it and the power that it has. So hopefully that's convinced you, and if you're thinking about getting a WordPress website, I would highly recommend that you go for it. Don't even consider anything else. If you've got any questions or comments, I'd love to hear them, so post them below and look out for more videos from me. See you soon.